Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. This is a quick tip for getting onto plane fast.
I'm going to
Let's rock.
put the throttle forward and watch that wake slowly move towards me in the driving seat.
3, 2, 1, let's rock.
So the whole front of this bow is out of the water.
Good day folks, good day. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Good to have you on board, guys. Let's rock. Okay, here's the lever, and quite simply what I'm going to do is I'm going to push the lever forward quite fast. The bow will lift up like that. Okay, it'll go whoosh like that, but then I shall do a few little clicks. I shall lift the bow using this tilt button. Alright, that lifts my engine up and down. Alright, so I shall press on the you can probably hear it. That's down, up. Okay, so we'll lift the engine so that the bow rises, okay, above the bow wave. You can see it's very calm waters today, so it's perfect for showing you a quick demo of how to get on plane fast. So so that's what I'm going to do. All right, so I'm going to go whoosh, and then then I shall bring the bow up. Okay, and then I should do a couple of little clicks on this, 2 or 3 little clicks on this to bring the engine down, which will then bring the bow slightly down, and the wake will be just there, guys, just there. Okay, that means the whole front of the boat, which I'm hoping the other camera will show, will be out of the water. All right, guys, so let's boogie. Alright guys, okay, right, let's get this baby on plane. So what I shall do, guys, is I shall push the throttle forward. Okay, the bow will naturally lift the power of the engine, and then I shall do a couple of clicks to bring the bow up slightly further, and then once the gravity starts to bring the boat back down, a couple of clicks down, bring it flat onto the top of the water surface, and we'll be planing. Alright, so let's go. Now I've got a camera on the side of the boat, so I'm hoping it'll pick the bow lifting up out the water. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's rock. Now I'm lifting the engine up slightly. Now as gravity's bringing the engine down. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's rock. Now I'm on plane. Here we go. When you get porpoising like this, I'm going to bring the bow up so we're purposely porpoised. Alright. Then all you need to do is a couple of clicks down to bring the boat level. See it porpoising? Okay. A couple of clicks down on that, on the button, tilt button, and now we're planing, guys. If it continues to porpoise like it is now, one more click on the button, there you are, look, it stopped. And we are planing, guys. It's what you call rock and roll. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video, you are just going to love next videos that follow this. You're just going to love them. All right, rock and roll. So the whole front of this bow is out of the water. And you can see that my wake is there, look, so all of that boat, all of that is out the water. And to come out of plane safely, just bring the throttle down very gently. So if you've got any passengers in the boat, you're not going to send them flying. It's nice and gently, almost like putting your foot on a brake in a car. Nice and slowly. Say coming up to traffic lights or something like that. I'm just pulling the lever, the throttle back very gently, and then you'll watch the bow drop. As we slow down. There we go. Alright guys, so that was that little exercise, and now I want to tell you why you would want to go on plane. Right, the reason you'd go on plane is two things. Number one, if you like the thrill of speed, that's one reason why you would go on plane. But the proper reason, and the genuine reason, and the reason most people go on plane, is to be able to get somewhere reasonably quick, but to then use as little or as less fuel as possible. Because of course at the end of the day, if the nose of my boat was in the water, in fact I'll pick some speed up, I'm totally tilted down now, 0. Okay, so that means the engine is right in the water, as deep as it will go, as far down as it will go. Okay, now if I just pick up a little bit of speed, alright, there's going to be a lot of drag. Every little ripple will catch the front of the bow and slow it down. Alright. Now I'm going to do this in slow motion now, but real time. So I'm going to, you'll hear the noise of the engine rev up, and yet I'm not actually using the throttle at all. So that's the speed I'm going at. My engine is tilted all the way down, and I'm going a lot of drag. You can see the drag there, look, where the waves are. It's actually just hitting each little ripple in the water. So that's why I've got that. Now watch this. I'm going to use the tilt button, okay? And I'm going to press it up 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now that's lifted the bow a little bit more, alright, but I've still got that splash in there. So I'm going to lift it a bit more to bring the bow over what we call the bow wave. Alright, and you'll notice that this wave is slowly getting nearer and nearer to me on the driving seat, okay? Now if I was going to speed, you'll notice the weight get closer and closer to me in the driving seat. Let's check this out guys, check this out. So I'm putting the throttle forward now, okay, you see the bow lift, there's the weight. Alright, so then you'll see the weight go towards the front of the boat as the boat sinks into the water. Alright, now that wave there, that splashing, is drag. I'm going to put the throttle forward and watch that wake slowly move towards me in the driving seat as I go faster. Here we go, and the boat will lift. Watch this. Alright, there we go.
See, there's no splash in there at all now, look. It's all here. Exactly where I'm sat. Now I'm going to slow down and watch the wake, the splashing, get nearer and nearer to the bow, the front of the boat. There you go, look. It's gone back now as the boat sank into the water. Now guys, I'm going to lift the engine. I'm on 0 at the moment. But the minute I lift the engine, which means there'll be less drag on the bow and we'll be planing, you'll hear a difference in the engine where the engine will actually be revving up even more, so therefore going faster. So the idea behind that is then you pull the throttle back a little to reserve fuel. So listen to this. Listen to the engine noise as I tilt the engine. I'm not pushing the throttle. See, it's picked up a bit there. Now I'm going to put a little bit more on. 2 more clicks. And the engine's now really revving. Alright. Can you hear that? And I've not touched the throttle at all, other than the button. Now I can reduce it, the power, which means I'm getting the best speed for the lowest cost. There we are. So there you go guys, that's all what it's all about.
I'm so tired of crying.